AJ Will back with another quick video update on digistore24.com. Today I made my first $1,000 with this simple campaign, medical weight loss product. Let's log in, see the profits. Okay, the day is January 29th, Friday, 6 p.m. As you can see, January 29th, 1,084 bucks. Didn't make anything January 28th. Swing up here to Bing ads. Let's see, today, 29th, how much I spent so far. 27 clicks, spent about 139 bucks. So let's go to our calculator. 1,084 minus $139. Made about $945 a day profit. All right, so we're gonna pull up yesterday. Yesterday, as you can see, got 19 clicks. I spent $88. I'm gonna put the calculator back up. I didn't make anything yesterday, so we're gonna minus 88. I spent equal 857. So between Thursday and Friday, I got a profit of $857. Overall total, I started this campaign on January 16th. The day is the 29th. So in about 13 days, I made $43.96. So yeah, we still in profit. I have a done for you campaign. I'm selling for 50 bucks. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this on Instagram, just DM me and I'll let you know more information about it. In the meanwhile, just like, subscribe, and comment.